So you have a Xiaomi phone, and if you want to roll back to MIUI due to some reason, so if you want to sell your phone or you want to gain warranty if you have a new phone, so here is the video. In this video I will show you the detailed and the easy way to roll back to MIUI. So guys, rolling back to MIUI is not a rocket science thing. It's a easy, just you have to follow the steps that I show in this video. So let's begin the video. Now to roll back your phone from custom ROM to MIUI, just go to the about phone on your custom ROM, just tap the build number for 7 to 8 times. When you see this kind of, you are a developer. Then just go to the system. After going to the system, just go to the developer option. So in the developer option, just go to the debugging section, and in the debugging, enable USB debugging and click here on the OK. Now boot your phone into the fast boot mode. So here I am booting it to the fast boot mode by restarting it and holding the volume down button when it restarts. So yeah, it is booting into the fast boot mode. So now to just flash the stock ROM to your MIUI phone, you will require a Mi Flash tool. So the link of the Mi Flash tool is given in the description box below, and you will require a fast boot ROM. Now how to find the fast boot ROM? So here I have a Redmi 8A dual smartphone, so I want to just roll back it to the MIUI. Okay, so now what you do is you have to just type Redmi 8A dual. You have to type your device name. I will type my device name, so I will type Redmi 8A dual, and then I will type fastboot and ROM. Okay, so I will type Redmi 8A dual, this is my device name, and I will type a fastboot ROM, and now just I will clicking here on the enter. So here is the link, the Xiaomi firmware updater. So you have to download the file from this link. So just open this kind of link. After you open this link, here is there are so many regions available. So I am from the India, so I will download the India, and after that you have to download the type. In that you have to download fastboot. Okay, so here I am downloading the fastboot. Don't download recovery, just download the fastboot. So here I am downloading the fastboot. So here it is. So I am clicking on the download. Now what you have to do is you have to just go down, and here you have to double check your device name and also double check the type. Now don't flash the recovery ROM into your fastboot mode, or else you will boot loop. So just select the fast type of the ROM to the fastboot, and now just download the ROM, and to make sure your package name ends with .tgz. Don't flash .zip file. Download the package .tgz, and now just download the full ROM. So now you downloaded the Mi Unlock tool, means Mi Flash tool, and the link means your fastboot ROM. Now open this fastboot ROM, and it will just do some kind of this kind of work, means it will read your archive. It will take some time, so make sure your phone is enough charge, and your PC also has enough charge, means your phone should not shut down while it performing flashing time. So yeah, so after that, here is the, after you've done that archive reading, here is the your ROM zip file, means a fastboot ROM. Now what you do is you have to extract it again to the desktop only. So yeah, I am extracting it to the desktop, so it will take some time. Wait till it extracts. So till the fastboot ROM is extracting, now what you do is just go to the Mi Flash tool, and again also extract the Mi Flash tool to the desktop only. So yeah, I am extracting to the desktop. Okay, so it is being extracting. Now what you have to do is you just have to open the Mi Flash tool. Now in the Mi Flash tool, here, So here's a quick update. So the latest version of the Mi Flash tool is not available for the Windows 11. Means it's available, but it's not compatible with the Windows 11. So you have to use the older version of the Mi Flash tool. So I will provide or update the link of the description box below. So just open it. After opening it, just click here on the next. Now just click here on the next, and now just next, and it will be installing. So yeah, it is installing. So wait till it installs. So after installing, it will just give this kind of Xiaomi Mi Plus exe. So now just click on the yes and just open it. Now what you have to do is you have to just click here on the refresh and make sure your PC has that ADB drivers installed. So after you click here on the refresh, now there should be showing you some serial number kind of. So now in the serial number, what you have to do is you have to just go to this extracted fastboot ROM file. Just go here and now just select this path for. Now just go and select copy address as a text. Now what you have to do is you have to just go and just paste here. So you have to just paste the same address here, and now just click here on the flash. So it just started flashing, and make sure your phone is connected with the original data cable and the original and your phone is on the fastboot. So it started flashing. So it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to flash. So wait till it complete flashing, and do not close or don't do anything on your PC. It's recommended. So yeah. And one more thing before flashing, make sure you just select clean all and lock to lock the bootloader. So if you don't want to lock the bootloader, just select clean all. But I want to lock the bootloader of my phone, so I have selected clean all and lock. So after flashing done, you will see a flash done and a success message, and your phone will now start to boot up. So this is the complete guide to just flash or roll back your phone to MIUI. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.